In this video, I want to share with you a quick win I had today using ChatGPT. And for some context, I was trying to create a webinar series and I wanted to invite some people as panelists. Like none of these names were here before. And I was using the regular format, which is going into import from CSV. Click on that and then I click import. And it's just not working. For whatever reason, my Zoom is broken today. I can't import. Maybe I can try to call tech support and see what's going on. I try to open it in different browsers. It didn't work. My Zoom is broken. I can't import, for some reason, a CSV of panelists. So the alternative I have is to click on edit and then go into here and type each name one by one, right? So that's like super annoying and a big waste of time in today's world. So like, I don't want to do that. Okay, so what I was thinking is, what if I get ChatGPT to help me copy and paste, the data in there, but do one by one, simulate somebody typing it for me. So that's what I did. So I went into ChatGPT and I told it, let me just tell it right now, my Zoom panelist invite is broken and I need to create a console script that will automatically enter them for me as if I was typing them one by one. Okay, so that's how I start. The next piece I'm going to do is I'm going to give it the information. These are all like names and emails, and look, like I even have like 3 in a field. It's just kind of messy. So I'm just going to copy and paste this in here and say, these are the names and emails, and I'll paste that in there. I'm going to add one more piece of information or context. I'm going to go back into Zoom. I'm going to right click anywhere on the page and I'm going to click on inspect. And then what I'll do is I'm going to click on this little button up here for elements. So here on the elements tab, click on this little button. And what it does is it allows me to hover over the screen and it'll hover over any element. So once I have the whole, look at something that kind of has this whole area in blue, I click on that. That way here on the element section, I can literally just copy the element. So I'm right clicking and copy the element. That way the HTML code actually copies and I can tell ChatGPT what it looks like so it knows how to navigate inside that page. So I'm going to go back into ChatGPT and I'm going to say code looks like this, paste that, boom, and then hit send. And that's it. That's all I needed to do. So I told it, let's go up here for a second. It's a lot of code in there. So I gave it the context, which is, this is what I'm trying to achieve. These are all the names and emails that I have, and you can paste it messy in there. It knows how to clean that up. And then I give it the HTML code of the page that I wanted to do the script for, and ChatGPT will literally just do its thing. So we'll let it think for a little bit, and then it'll start writing the code for me. And as soon as that code is done, I'm going to show you exactly how to execute it. Perfect. So the code is done. I'm going to go ahead and click right here. It says copy code. I'll copy that code, go back into my Zoom page. I am in Elements now, but I'm going to switch over to this thing called Console. So we switch over from Elements to Console. And then on Console, I'm going to click on this little box here, which is the sort of refresh page. And I just start with a blank screen. And then I'm going to paste in there. So I right click and paste, or Control V, whatever, paste in there, press enter, and then you let it do its thing. Look, my hands are up. I'm not touching the keyboard or the mouse. It's running the script for me. It's typing. It's simulating a real person doing the work. So what conclusions do we draw from here? Like, well, how is this useful? Why am I doing a video about this? Why are you watching this? Well, number one, I want you to sort of look at the world from a different lens. When things, especially in a page, are not working the way you want it to work, or they're broken, or there's missing features, you could try using ChatGPT. Tell it what it looks like and tell it what you're trying to achieve. And you can build a lot of mini automations, so to speak, which could be really quick wins and tons of productivity improvement in accounting and business and finance. So I invite you to do things like this and go in the comment section and tell me what you did or what are you excited about experimenting with, because this is the type of content I'm going to be creating all year. And I'll put in the description below a webinar series that you can log into, be part of the webinar series, where I'm going to do all sorts of ChatGPT Brainstorm that has to do with little tricks here and there that help us be more productive and make more money. So thank you very much. See you in the next one.